Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, H sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn and what's going on? Capricorn, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Six of Wands and the Strength card. You are working on yourself to getting your strength back. You want to take your control back. Yes, you will. In near future, you will achieve your strength back. And Six of Wands, you are getting success for your hard work and recognition for your hard work. For some, you are getting popularity also. And the person involved in this connection could be Leo especially. So let's see your reading, Capricorn. Recent past, the Star, Nine of Pentacles and the Tower. There was a tower moment in your life. It could be due to relationship or it could be other reason also, maybe financial issues. For some, there is some money loss also. But still you are very hopeful because the Star card is here. There are another ways open to you, another door open to you. Yes, you are focusing on your career, creating more money. You are focusing on yourself because Nine of Pentacles, you want to stand by your power. Then present Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. Again, you are more concentrating on your money, on your abundance, creating more money, Ten of Pentacles. Because in past, maybe for some you are undergoing some money loss. Now you want to achieve stability in money, especially in finances. So that's why Queen of Pentacles with Ten of Pentacles, you're more concentrating on your career. And Knight of Cups, but someone is coming towards you to offer this cup of love to you, and this person is very romantic. Knight of Cups, but it is very slow moving energy. Then future, Judgment, Ten of Swords and Wheel of Fortune. You are going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship in near future, or regarding your life you are going to be make some decision. And Ten of Swords and Wheel of Fortune. Ten of Swords energy. I think there is something happened between you and your person, but you still want rebirth in this connection. And Wheel of Fortune, things are turning out into your favor. Maybe you are not seeing, but definitely near future things will turn into your favor. Because Six of Wands is here, you will get success for your hard work. Especially in your career, you will get success. And you will stand by your power. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then you will get more clarity what's going between you and your person, Capricorn. Your person feelings. Lot of cards. Knight of Cups again. Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Maybe one person, the woman in this connection could be pregnant, or one person have kids in this relationship. And Knight of Cups, yes, definitely your person want to offer their cup of love to you. They see you as their empress. But Queen of Swords, right now They are not willing to communicate. Right now they're thinking, yes. Because Queen of Swords is, see, not willing to communicate right now, but they have love for you, because Knight of Cups is here, and again your person is in very very slow moving energy. And Six of Swords, maybe they want to fix the things between both of you, but so let's see their intentions. Maybe they're scared. Yes, this person have ego, maybe this person is obsessed with you, and it's your reading and it's your card. The Devil card is here, and the person dealing in this connection could be another Capricorn. Yes, your person thinking about you a lot. They are at some crossroads. Maybe for some your person have options also. Right now they are not talking to you for some no contact situation, because they are healing. Yes, they're healing, because the Queen of Swords also not willing to communicate. Here Four of Swords, so they're undergoing some meditation to heal themselves. Right now your person thinking about you a lot, and they have to make some decision, because Two of Swords, and they are very indecisive right now, but they are obsessed with you, the Devil card. Maybe this person is very dominative in this connection. A lot of thinking is going. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. So the signs are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they are thinking about you a lot. And Three of Wands, yes, they are, yes, you both are in right now no contact. Maybe you are in contact, there is no constant communication between both of you, but your person expecting positive growth in this relationship, and they are ready to say apology to you. They want to text you. And Six of Cups, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and they are thinking about you a lot. Marriage, and for some your person want to marry you also. But your person have to, right now they're juggling, but in near future, yes, they will they are going to be choose you. Yes, right now there is a lot of drama is going. Maybe you are manifesting them again into your life, but yes, they are coming back with an apology, but still there is a lot of drama is going between you and your person. Yeah, they will come back. Magician again. I think you both are manifesting each other. And Strength, this connection has potential, and you both are manifesting each other. Yes, they are thinking about you a lot. Still there are some disturbances, but they want to say apology to you, Capricorn. Right now your person is juggling, thinking maybe they have options, but they will get clarity after they will reach out. Yeah, they will text or call you. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. Step out of your comfort zone. If you want to achieve anything, this is the message for you. Step out of your comfort zone and do hard work consistently. And it's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. So if you are thinking about anything or anyone negatively, so this is the message for you. You have to release all those negative thoughts and negative thinking, negative thought process. So let's see some messages for you from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. I can't let you go. Yes, I'm feeling sad without you. Twin Flames. Options. Yes, one person maybe in this connection have options, so they can't let you go. They're feeling sad without you. And twin flames. Yes, for some you both could be twin flames also. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.